to this week's weekly science investigation. Now for this week we're going to go beyond the standard paper aeroplane and we're going to make a glider. Now this is quite a cool thing. I've made one already and it's this here. So we've got just a straw and then two circles of card and it makes a really, really cool glider which flies incredibly well. But this one is super important to follow the instructions carefully, and I'll attach the instructions below in the video. But I have tried, this is my 6th attempt at making one of these because I saw the pictures and I just went with it without reading the instructions, and each time it didn't work. So I'll show you what it does in a minute, but it's really important to follow the instructions. So let's show you what it does. So we've got our glider. Let's show you. Let's see. I don't know how far across I'm on the screen. Let's try that across the room. So that was our glider. It works because the bigger ring creates air resistance, which helps keep our glider nice and balanced and stable, which is really cool because you would look at that and wouldn't think that that would fly that particularly well, but it does. In the instructions that I'll attach at the bottom has got all the information about how and why it works, so you can have a little read if you're interested. It also has how to make it, but I'll just quickly go through it. What you need is a bit of card that's 2.5 centimetres in width, and then all the way around will be 13 centimetres. And then you use that again with the bottom, but you do 2 lots of that. So you do, again, 2.5 centimetres width, and then 2 lots of 13, which is, you know, if you want to use one that's 26 centimetres. Then you sellotape them onto the straw onto the inside of those rings, and then you've got your glider, and you can have a little play with it. If you do have a go, do send me through some pictures and let me know if you start investigating whether maybe how different lengths of the straw affects the glide, how different sizes of the rings affect the glide, how different materials of the rings affect the glide. Loads of things you can have a little play around with to have a bit of a science investigation. So do let me know if you do any of those. Yeah, there's your glider. I hope you have a lot of fun with that one, and I'll see you all soon.